Number 1. Put purpose first. Put purpose first in everything you do. Everything you think you see in me. Every ounce of strength, every win, every open door. None of it happened by luck. It happened because I stayed connected to the source. See, what I have is grace. What I carry is favor. What I walk in is purpose. Understand this, your gift isn't random. It's divine. I've been protected when I didn't deserve it. Directed when I didn't know where to go. Corrected when I was out of line. I've stumbled, but He never left me. So I learned to keep God close. Because when you stay connected to Him, He keeps you grounded. He'll humble you when your ego rises. He'll lift you when life drags you down. So if you think you want to walk the path I walk, then walk it with faith. Stick with God. Stick with discipline. Stick with purpose. Number 2. Fail big. Yeah, you heard that right. Fail big. Today marks the beginning of the rest of your life. It's scary, I know. The world out there is fast, loud, ruthless. But hear me. You only get one shot at this thing called life. So chase what sets your soul on fire. Do what pulls you out of bed at 5 a.m. in the morning. Take risks. Don't be afraid to fall. Don't be afraid to lose. Don't be afraid to look foolish. Because every great idea lives outside your comfort zone. You've heard think outside the box. No, live outside the box. Dream so big it scares you. But remember, dreams without structure are nothing but fantasies. Dreams without goals lead to frustration. So yes, dream, but also set goals. Life goals, yearly goals, monthly, weekly, and daily goals. Every single day, give yourself a target. Sometimes it's big, like launching a business. Sometimes it's small, like staying calm when someone tests your patience. But set them and chase them, because goals give your dreams direction. Now listen, to reach those goals, you'll need two weapons: discipline and consistency. You can't skip days. You can't choose convenience over commitment. You have to grind even when nobody's watching. Discipline means doing what must be done, especially when you don't feel like it. You've heard the saying, we don't plan to fail. We fail to plan. That's real. Hard work works. Working really hard. That's what separates dreamers from achievers. And don't get caught in this modern trap of fake progress. Just because you're busy doesn't mean you're productive. Don't confuse movement with growth. You can run in place all day and never move forward. So work smart, work hard, and work with purpose. Continue to strive. Continue to build. Continue to grow. Because forward is the only direction worth going. Number 3. You'll never see a U-Haul behind a hearse. I'll say that again. You will never see a U-Haul behind a hearse. Because no matter how much you stack, no matter how many cars you buy, or how big your house gets, you can't take any of it with you when you're gone. So don't measure your life by what you collect. Measure it by what you contribute. It's not about how much you have. It's about what you do with what you have. We all have something. Some of you have wisdom. Some have vision. Some have talent. Some have compassion, creativity, leadership, strength. And some of you have that fire that can light up the world. Whatever your gift is, use it, because here's the truth. The most selfish thing you can do in life is help somebody else. You heard me. Helping others is the most selfish act you can commit. Why? Because the joy that comes with it, the peace, the fulfillment, the sense of purpose, nothing compares. You can't buy that feeling. You can't wear it. You can't park it in your driveway. The real reward isn't in what you get, it's in what you give. Because success without significance is just noise. The real ones, the ones who change lives, the ones who inspire generations, they don't chase fame, they chase impact. So when you rise, reach back. When you climb, pull someone else up. When you win, make sure your victory opens a door for somebody else. Because legacy isn't about your name being remembered. It's about lives being better because you lived. And when you understand that, when you realize that your purpose is bigger than your comfort, you'll stop chasing success and start walking in destiny. Finally, when you go to bed tonight, I want you to slide your shoes deep under your bed. So when you wake up tomorrow, the only way to reach them is to get on your knees. And while you're down there, don't ask for anything. Start by saying thank you. Thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for the air in your lungs and the strength in your bones. Thank you for the lessons that broke you, because they built you. Thank you for wisdom, for family, for friends, for peace that doesn't make sense. Thank you for another chance to get it right. Say thank you in advance for what's already on its way. That's how faith works. That's how I live. Because gratitude unlocks doors that hustle can't. When you thank God for what you haven't seen yet, it's a signal to heaven that you trust the process. You see true desire, that burning feeling inside your chest, that thing that keeps you up at night and whispers, you were made for more. That's not random. That's not coincidence. That's proof. Proof that God has already written it with your name on it. The dream you carry is the evidence that it's possible. So claim it, work for it, pray over it. And when it comes, don't just stand on top of your mountain shouting, "I made it." Look down and reach back, pull someone else up. Teach them what you've learned, because every blessing that ends with you dies with you. Each one, teach one. Each one, lift one. Don't just chase money, chase meaning. Don't just aim to make a living, aspire to make a difference. Because when your life becomes the reason someone else doesn't give up, that's when you've truly won.